holidays. We are finally in December, which means most people are doing Vlogmas, but I failed already because yesterday was December 1st, which means I already missed the first day of Vlogmas. Wow, wow, wow. But that's okay, because instead of doing Vlogmas, because let's be honest, my life just isn't that interesting. Instead of doing Vlogmas and vlogging every single day, what I'm going to do for you guys is give you more crafts and tutorials throughout the month of December, randomly. I'm just gonna throw something out there, something simple, something wall decor, something like alterations, something like a dog bed, or just a bunch of random stuff. So if you're excited for that, then please subscribe and get ready for those videos to come out during the month of December. So if you guys are ready for today's random video, then just keep on watching. This is the wall hanger I'm going to be using from Target. I got it for $10. If you don't want to buy it, you can always make your own using branches. Here are the materials you're going to need for this project, except for all the ribbon. You choose what you want to hang your little pouches with, so I chose wire, but you can choose ribbon. I wanted to make my pouches 3 inches by 3 inches, so what I'm going to do is cut out 50 squares. That way I have 2 squares per day. Once you have them all cut, you can either choose to sew them right sides together so that you can turn it right side out. But I decided that I wanted the edges raw, so what I did was sew the 2 sides and the bottom shut, leaving the top open, and I sewed them wrong sides touching. Once I had them all sewn together, then I clipped the edges where I sewed so that it'll fray more. And I finished all 25. Once I had them finished, I'm gonna write the numbers 1 to 25 with a black paint marker. Then I decided to go over the black with a gold paint marker. Now I'm gonna take this reef wire that I found at Hobby Lobby and make it into a circle that can fit into my little pouch, and then wrap it to itself. I added a little string bow to the top, and this is what I'm going to put into my pouches to mark the days. Now I'm cutting 8 inches of wire for each of my squares. And this is what I'm going to use to hang it. I'm going to pierce it through one side, and I'm just going to twist it to itself. Then all you have to do is hang it over your branch and attach the other side, and they are done. And this is how my advent calendar turned out. I really, really like it. You can put candy, messages, anything you want inside of these. I hope you guys liked today's tutorial, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you like my channel, then please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.